Hi, today we're going to start looking at the copying and pasting functionality in Excel. In Excel you've got many choices about what you paste, and over the following weeks we'll look at those in more detail. Today we'll look at how you copy and paste everything, contents, formats and even cell width all in one go. Let's say you have an area in Excel that you want to copy and paste. Firstly, highlight the area in question. Then right click on your mouse, choose copy, left click in the cell which you want to be the top leftmost corner of the paste area, right click and choose the first symbol under the paste options. You'll notice that everything is pasted except the column width. So let's try that again. This time click where it says Paste Special on the Menu tab. Choose all and the result is the same. So let's try this one more time. Right click where you want the top left corner of the paste to occur. Hover over the arrow to the right of Paste Special. Choose the arrow and more options will appear, including Keep Source Column Widths. Left click on this option and now everything will be pasted correctly. Thanks for listening. Join me soon for more quick hints and tips on Excel.